What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Trust My Levels. All right, so let's get this going real quick. I just wanted to do a quick recap of today, which was a beautiful, beautiful day with SPX. I know you always hear me talking about SPX, and it's the only thing you'll hear me talking about all the time. Excuse me. And now, of course, ES futures. So we're definitely on the road of teaching more people about futures, teaching more people about options. So anyway, let's get into it today. So we had a gap up this morning, and immediately on that gap up, we got that first green candle. And then, matter of fact, I'll pull it down to the 2 minutes. Let's get back over there real quick. So immediately on this first gap up, we got that push up to 39.11, and nothing broke that candle after that. So as you know, we're using the STRAT and using the Broadening formations. So having this Broadening formation on here, as soon as it broke above that Broadening formation, which is this green line right here, as soon as it broke above, I was looking to see what is going to happen to this. And one of the other traders that I trade with happened to say, hey, I think we're about to drop, and then boom, we went right below this Broadening formation. First thing that I'm looking at is, hey, we pushed above the Broadening formation, came back down. Next candle, sent a wick down to the Broadening formation. It popped up a little bit here, sent a wick down, coming down to it, boom, had a wick pop off over it again, popped up a little bit more, gave us that H pattern right there, boom, and then dropped. So it dropped through this Broadening formation, and then it hit the next Broadening formation. And at this area, boom, it stopped a little bit. At the same time, we had the Fibonacci retracements on the screen also. And this was a fib was in this area. And we picked the, matter of fact, we picked the target based on a fib because of this movement right here. So the fib target gave us 38.43, and I just happened to get 38.40s. So, they just happened to work out. Just happened to work out, because as you can see for the rest of the day, that thing just dropped and dropped before 11 o'clock. No, who's this? Yeah, right. 11:40. Boom, it finally made it down here to 38.43 area. And I was out way before this, though. Way before this. So I think I got out with this pull up right here, because this was a long from 10 o'clock to 10:30. I don't have time to be sitting here watching this contract, especially with an outside bar right here. Definitely don't want to sit through this pullback, because you never know, this could pop all the way back up, especially with SPX. But we did warn people about today, because there were 5 economic announcements that happened between 9:45 and 10 o'clock. So 5 things were released at 10 o'clock, or at 9:45, actually. At 9:45, there were a bunch of things that were released. So that was this candle right here. And then the rest of them, it was down from there. Now, remember, tomorrow there is FOMC, okay? So FOMC is tomorrow. Now, what you need to watch out for the last couple of FOMCs, we try to tell people there's going to be an initial pop to the downside, to the upside. We don't know which one it is, but for the last couple of FOMCs, it's been to the downside, followed by a pop to the upside. Am I telling you that you should buy anything during this time, especially if you are not experienced with it? Even I don't even want to do it, but tomorrow I'll be trading futures. So with the futures, it's going to be a little bit volatile, and I love to catch things like this. So I'm seeing it pop up. Okay, you can't take out that high. All right, then let's see what you got. Boom, drop. And with the futures, I don't have to worry about a strike price. I don't have to worry about anything other than making sure that price stays below where I entered. That's it. That's all I need to worry about. And as long as it drops from where I entered, we're making money. And especially with ES futures, for every $1 that it drops, you receive $50. Man, could you imagine what you did today if you were trading futures? Like from here all the way down to 50, you know what I'm saying? So that's $70, $60 drop. And you get fit to say you just had a piece of that. That's $3,000. So yeah, just for this one drop. Anyway, that's one contract, one drop. Anyway, so yeah, again, we broke above that Broadening formation, drop, hit another Broadening formation, dropped again. There's another Broadening formation that's hiding underneath this yellow right here. that's in this area, but we didn't really do anything there. We didn't hesitate, didn't do anything. Boom, it drops. Tap that broad information, popped up, drop below it, sent those candles right back up to that broad information, said, okay, I'll holla, gave us an inside bar and continues to drop down to another broad information. Now, the funny thing about these broad informations, of course, when I first started drawing them, I was like, this stock is not gonna follow these broad information. What's going on with this? There's no way. Then I come over here and then I'll watch. Let's see, where'd it go? Did they disappear? My broad information disappeared. That's terrible. Let's see. It was there. I swear it was there a few minutes ago. Let's put that back on the 2 minute. Now watch this thing pop back up. Look at that. There it is. All right, cool. Or maybe it was that gray one. I don't know. The white one disappeared somehow. I don't know. Anyway, so these broad informations, we watch them and you see the price react at. Boom, it's reacting, stand there. How many people have drawn horizontal lines and then watched the price continuously go touch it over and over again? This green one's broad information. This green one here, broad information. This dash gray one, broad information. This white one right here, broad information. And we believe in them because boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles there. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Send some wicks up to that. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 candles, 35 candles before 1:30. Tap that line. That's crazy. Then you come back over and you see all day long, it danced around that area, just danced around it. No, don't forget this one right here. Boom, it tapped up here to this daily broad information, which then came back over here again, tapped the daily broad information on this one. And if you notice, these lines are not horizontal. These lines are traveling in a diagonal. Every last one of these they have a diagonal. They might look like they're horizontal, but they are diagonal. And they were drawn on many different time frames. So draw your broad informations because this one right here, oh my goodness, look at that. Boom, tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, just all the way up. So again, draw your broad informations, draw everything that you need to draw your fibs. If you need to learn how to draw the fibs, hit me up. I have the Fibonacci retracement cheat code. You have all the stuff that we use every day on every single day. These are used. All right. So if you need your fibs, you need to learn about the broad informations. I got the video on YouTube about the broad informations. Watch the video, purchase the course. It's all there for you. Let's get it. All right. So if you got any questions, hit me up. You know where to find me: Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. What else is there? Twitter, all of those at Trust My Levels. All right. So if y'all got any questions, hit me up and I'll talk to y'all later.